Going to the beach in New Zealand.
To the seaside with Granny and Grandpa Pig.
Going to play sandcastles.
Peppa and George love the seaside.
Where's the sand?
There isn't any sand on this beach.
Kiwi,
No sand.
I want to play sandcastles.
Make sand castles.
Peppa and George love making sandcastles.
There are lots of exciting things to do on this rocky beach.
Like what?
When the sea goes out, it leaves little pools of water in amongst the rocks.
They're called rock pools.
Ooh, rock pools.
Every rock
Never heard of that before.
has something special that the sea has left behind.
Ooh, treasure.
Ooh, I can see something glittering.
It's a coin.
It's a coin. Wow.
Maybe
It's a pirate's treasure.
Let's make a collection of all the things we find.
Yes, we'll put them in George's bucket.
what surprise is waiting in this pool?
There's nothing special in this.
Ho, 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 ho. There's always something, Peppa. Look.
Ooh, something inside this pool.
Something.
Yes, it's a crab. Ah!
Ooh.
Pinching Grandpa Pig's finger.
Ouch!
Naughty Mr. Crab.
Ooh, look, kids.
Mr. Crab is walking sideways.
I can't wait to try it.
George is pretending to be a crab. Peppa wants to be a crab too.
We're naughty crabs. Pinch, pinch, pinch.
Pinch, pinch, pinch. Pinch, pinch, pinch.
Help! There are two naughty crabs trying to pinch me.
Pinch, pinch.
We're naughty.
This is so amazing.
Pinch, pinch.
Shoo, 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 you naughty crabs. Go back to your little rock pools.
Yes.
Let's explore some more rock pools.
What can you see?
Ooh.
A seashell.
Can you hear the sea in it?
What do you mean?
If you put a shell to your ear, you can
Oh
hear
yeah,
the sea.
we'll see about that. Well,
Wow. I can hear the sea.
this is so amazing.
Loved my seashell.
George, can you find a seashell too?
Boing, boing, boing.
Shell. That's not a shell. Oh.
Oops.
Peppa's right. That's not a shell.
It's a fossil.
A fossil.
What's a fossil?
A fossil is the remains of an animal that lived long ago, when there were dinosaurs.
Dinosaur.
Ew. Too scary. This is so amazing.
Fossils are such fun.
Yes, they're fun for us. But not for this little fish.
A fish? Where?
Ooh.
Ooh.
He looks sad.
Fish. She's trapped.
Oh.
He wants to go
The
home.
little fish says she wants to go back to the sea.
Maybe you could use your bucket to rescue her.
That's a great idea.
Peppa is rescuing the little fish in her bucket.
Don't worry, Mrs. Fish. You'll soon be back with your friends. Bye-bye, Mrs. Fish.
Bye bye. I love rock pools.
I love rock pools.